Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send money from your Wells Fargo account to a Bank of America account. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Wells Fargo app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the Pay Transfer option located near the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on Transfer. This will open the transfer page where you can move money between accounts. Next, choose the Wells Fargo account you want to transfer money from. You can select your checking or savings account depending on where the money is currently stored. Then, choose the account you want to send the money to. If you already linked your Bank of America account before, simply select it from the list. If your Bank of America account is not linked yet, tap on Add Non-Wells Fargo Account. Wells Fargo may ask for permission to use your camera so you can scan a check automatically, or you can enter the account information manually. Now enter your Bank of America routing number and account number. After that, you can also add a nickname for the account to help identify it later. Once the account is added, return to the transfer screen and select the Bank of America account as the destination account. Next, choose how often you want the transfer to happen. You can select a one-time transfer or set up recurring transfers if needed. After that, enter the amount of money you want to transfer and choose the transfer date. You may also see different delivery speed options depending on the amount you are sending. Finally, review all the transfer details carefully and tap Continue. On the confirmation screen, tap Make Transfer to complete the transaction. Once the transfer is submitted, Wells Fargo will show a confirmation screen and may also send you an email confirming that the transfer is processing. That's it. That is how you can send money from Wells Fargo to Bank of America. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.